this is Manoj. I'm going to unbox the package from Paytm mall. Yeah, I had ordered an sport watch from Paytm mall. Let me unbox it first. Okay guys, let me take this out. Yeah, and this thing which I ordered. See, I had ordered an fabric digital watch which is about $250. Let me take this watch out. The package is good. Let me take it out. Yeah. Open up this box and take the watch out. Hey guys, and this is the watch which I ordered. It is a sport watch. Let me take this watch. Yeah, and this is the watch. It looks nice, and it is a digital watch. Yeah, let me open it. You guys see and the watch. See, it has light too. It has one blue light. Yeah, it's working fine. All the buttons working fine. I think sport water. I think it is waterproof also. I think water resistant. Yeah. Let I wear this watch on my hand and see how the watch looks like. Hey guys, and there is like the watch looker. The watch looks nice. See, it is perfect for my hands. And I changed the time. Hey guys, thank you for this video. Give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.